I'm in the shopping center, but I got here too early. We're supposed to have lunch today, but I got half an hour earlier. So I'm gonna show you how to carry my Brompton in the shopping center. Look at it. So cool. There's no problem at all. You just can go in. And that's the beauty of the Brompton, because other bikes, you have to leave it outside. And the Brompton, you just take it in, you know? So let me show you the little things I do to make it easier. Centers on Sundays here in Brazil only open after 2 o'clock. The restaurants open at 11 to 12, but the shops only at 2 o'clock. So since I'm half an hour earlier, let me show you how I bring my Brompton to the shop. Easily, it'll be a very short video, but since I have time and it's late, let me show you. Today I have my old leaf bag because I ride from Barra da Tijuca to my tennis club. So I have my stuff in there. So this is the most easier way to push it. Just put it like this. Put your seat a little bit up and pull it and push it. Is that good? But one thing that helps me a lot is having the extended EasyWheel. That helps me a lot because see, it's very stable. If you don't have it this here, if I go like this, it goes down. So this helps a lot. And the EasyWheel makes it easy to carry. I know, EasyWheel, easy. But to do this, you need a Velcro to put it here. So when you pull up, the wheel doesn't fall out, because what makes Brompton keep it close, keep it folded, it's the seat post. Yes, that's the guy that holds the Brompton in place. And if you put it up, it's not holding in place. So you need a Velcro. You leave the seat up and you fix it with the Velcro, okay? And this Velcro usually stays here to protect from the cables. Another way I like to carry is like this. This way is so easy to maneuver, but it's more space, it's more visual space. Right now it's empty, but later on it'll be crowded. So the smaller the Brompton gets, the better. Right here. Then I'll get my Velcro from here, from the frame. I always leave my Velcro here to protect the frame from the cable. Put it here, lower just a bit, and close. Usually I put it this here, and here you go. Okay, it's a very quick video that I'm gonna try to edit right now and post it. I know, just to help you a little bit how to carry your Brompton inside of places. Okay, if you did like the video, thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, a surprise video or very elaborate videos sometimes, subscribe and the little bell. You're gonna ask me, you're gonna edit right now? Yes, I do all the editing in my cellular phone, and now I got a tablet, Samsung S7. Yeah, it's better to edit, but if I don't have it, I do it in my cell phone. Bye-bye.